Hello everyone, it's great to see you all here. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the keys to effective leadership and management. Today we're diving into an essential topic for any leader or manager: the power of recognition. Recognizing your team's hard work and dedication is not just a nice gesture, it's a crucial element in building a motivated and high-performing team. Whether it's through praise, rewards, or acknowledgement, recognizing your team's efforts can make a world of difference. It boosts morale, increases productivity, and fosters a positive work environment where everyone feels valued and appreciated. Stick around to learn how effective recognition can motivate and inspire your team. We'll share practical tips and real-life examples to help you implement recognition strategies that truly make an impact. Recognition is a crucial tool that leaders can use to build trust and strengthen relationships within the team. It goes beyond mere words. It's about creating a culture where everyone feels valued and foster a positive work environment. When leaders take the time to acknowledge the hard work and dedication of their team members, it creates a ripple effect of positivity and accomplishments of their team members. It does more than just boost morale. It encourages others to strive for excellence and fosters a sense of belonging and loyalty. It sends a clear message that their contributions are valued and appreciated. This recognition can lead to increased productivity, higher job satisfaction, and a more cohesive team dynamic, ultimately driving the organization towards greater success. This simple act of recognition can lead to increased productivity. When people feel appreciated, they are more likely to go the extra mile and put in their best effort. It also enhances job satisfaction. Employees who feel recognized are happier in their roles and more engaged with their work. Recognition can take many forms. It could be a public shout-out during a meeting, a personalized thank you note, or even tangible rewards like bonuses or gifts. The key is to be sincere and specific about what the individual did well. By consistently recognizing your team's efforts, you create a culture of appreciation and positivity. This not only improves overall team performance, but also helps in retaining top talent. People want to stay where they feel valued. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it insightful. Remember, effective recognition can transform your team and elevate your leadership. Recognizing the hard work and dedication of your team members not only boosts morale, but also fosters a positive and productive work environment. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your colleagues and friends who might benefit from it. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. We regularly upload videos packed with tips and strategies to help you become a better leader. Keep inspiring and motivating your teams, and remember that great leadership starts with recognizing and appreciating the efforts of those around you. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned for more exciting content.